Morning, Assalamu alaikum. I am grade 4 English literature teacher. First of all, open page number 64. And over here, the previous story was that Phaeton got the permission to drive the sun chariot, and now Apollo, his father, took him to the sun chariot, and he was very happy that he's going to drive the sun chariot. And when he saw the sun chariot, it was so beautiful. It had two wings on each side, one's wing, and it was covered with gold and bright jewels. And there were four black horses who were very excited about starting their journey. And then Apollo tried to tell his son that whenever he has to give orders to the horses to stop or become slow, he has to call him by his names. But Phaeton seemed to be listening, but he was not listening any more, and he started to drive the sun chariot through the sky. Then what happened? Page number 65. Phaeton got on the chariot and took hold of the reins of the horse, and he started to drive sun chariot as fast as he could, and he also himself falling backward, and tried to make him balance on the chariot. And then Phaeton looked over the side of the chariot. He could not believe his eyes, because he could see the hills, forests, villages and towns of India, and everything was seeming smaller and smaller. Now come to page number 68. In 68 page, the Phaeton was climbing higher and higher and going into the dark blue sky towards heaven and palaces of the god. Now chariot was going so fast, Phaeton began to think that he should do something to slow it down, and so he started to shout, slow down, but it did not listen, because the horses only could listen if they are called by their names, but he do not remember their names. So the sun chariot was higher than it was ever been before, and were going down to the west, and started going down to the west, but it keep going up, and it went into darkness where there were only stars and a few strange animals and people. And then Phaeton saw a large snake sleeping, and a farmer, a hunter, a dog, a lion, an eagle, and a dangerous looking insect called scorpion. The sun chariot was going away from the world, and the earth was becoming darker and colder because the sun was going away from it, and people were very much worried. They could not understand why the earth is becoming so dark and cold, while the star animals and the star people were not able to understand why they are becoming so warm and bright, because the sun never comes on their place. Now the heat of the sun was so great that it woke up the sleeping snake, and it made it very angry, and the bears tried to climb down from the sky into the sea. So this was everything was happening like that. And so you go through page number 64, 65, 66 till here, 67 till here. I have given you homework. I have shared the homework in the WhatsApp group, so you can see the homework from there and do it in your copies. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.